Ever think about how much energy the cloud uses? Like we use it every single day. But it's kind of wild when you realize data centers, those places that power, well, everything digital, use more energy than some countries.
Yeah.
We're talking like a massive carbon footprint.
Yeah.
Which brings us to cloud FinOps.
Right.
Basically, how to manage your cloud costs without breaking the bank.
Mm-hmm.
And then on top of all that, sustainability adds a whole new layer.
Absolutely. And it's interesting, companies are creating entire roles dedicated to this. Imagine having sustainability on your business card.
Wow.
Your main gig, making sure your company's cloud usage doesn't cost the earth, literally.
Okay, so let's break down this whole sustainability persona.
Yeah.
It's more than just being eco-friendly,
Yeah.
right? There's got to be some strategy involved.
Mm-hmm. You hit the nail on the head. It's about finding that balance where going green actually makes financial sense. And this document we're looking at, it highlights several key responsibilities. For example, optimization for sustainable initiatives. This could be anything from the sustainability person checking if their cloud provider uses, say, coal-powered servers or renewable energy.
Interesting.
And then pushing for a switch to a greener option. Small change, big impact, potentially.
Right, like swapping out old appliances for energy-efficient ones, but on a much larger scale.
Yeah.
I like it. What else does this sustainability persona do?
Well, they're also all about waste reduction. You'd be surprised how much energy gets wasted on unused cloud resources, idle servers, forgotten data storage. We're talking enough to power a small city. Easy.
Seriously?
It's like leaving the lights on in an empty house, but way worse because of the scale. Companies could be losing millions just like that.
Wow, so they're like digital detectives hunting down wasted energy and saving money at the same time.
Exactly. And then there's the policy and compliance side of things. This is about making sure the company is following all the environmental rules, even in the cloud.
Oh, I see. So like, even though it's all digital, there's still rules they got to follow.
Exactly.
This is getting more complex than I initially thought.
Oh, there's a lot more to it. They also deal with efficiency and optimization analysis, basically figuring out how to do more with less in the cloud. Every little bit of energy saved helps.
Right, because it all adds up. And I bet they have to do a ton of documentation and reporting too, right?
Yeah.
To prove that their green cloud strategy is actually working.
You got it. They need to be able to show the impact of all their hard work. But you know what might be the most important part of their job is?
What's that?
Stakeholder collaboration. They're constantly talking to other teams, finance, IT, operations, making sure everyone's on the same page about this whole sustainable cloud thing.
So it's not just a one-person job.
Yeah.
They have to get everyone on board.
Exactly.
It's really interesting how this one role touches so many different parts of a company. But let's be real. Why should someone who's not a tech whiz care about any of this?
Because a greener cloud means a healthier planet for everyone, right? Plus, sustainability is a big deal for a lot of companies these days, so understanding this stuff can be helpful no matter what field you're in.
So we've talked a lot about what a sustainability person does, but here's something to think about. What kind of challenges do you think they bump into every day? I mean, is it always easy to balance what's good for the planet with what's good for the budget?